Hello everyone, welcome back to Silver Spoon channel. Today we're making a homemade potato ravioli with a beautiful purple twist using ube superfood. Before we start, I want to show you this gorgeous package. This is ube superfood purple yam with the vanilla. The pouch itself is such a beautiful rich purple color and it looks amazing in the kitchen. Now let's open it and take a look inside. Look at this beautiful powder. The color is urban, rich and naturally purple. Today we're using it in a cozy homemade recipe, potato ravioli. You can find the full dough recipe in the description below. Our dough is already prepared, so now let's start rolling it out. Roll the dough nice and thin, just large enough to fit over the ravioli mold. Now, sprinkle a little flour over the ravioli form so the dough does not stick. Now place the dough gently on the top of the flour sprinkled ravioli form and press it lightly so it fits into the shape. For the filling, we have mashed potato that we cooked earlier. And now comes the best part, the transformation. Let's add the ube superfood powder directly into the potatoes. Look at this color. As we mix the potatoes slowly, turn into the gorgeous, vibrant purple shade. The color is completely natural and so unique. Ube is naturally rich in antioxidants and it's such a fun way to add beautiful color to everyday recipes. Mix everything well until the filling becomes smooth, creamy, and evenly purple. Now, let's spoon the filling into the ravioli mold. Look how beautiful this is. The bright purple filling against the dough looks absolutely stunning. Next, roll out another piece of dough about the same size as the first layer. Carefully place it on the top and fully cover the ravioli mold. Now, take a rolling pin and roll firmly over the form so the ravioli seal and separate. Remove the extra dough from the sides. Now flip the mold over and let the ravioli fall out. Look at these perfectly shaped potato raviolis with beautifully purple ube filling. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add a little salt, then carefully place the ravioli into the water. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes or until they float to the top and the dough is fully cooked. While they cook, add a little butter to the top of your serving dish. Once the ravioli is ready, carefully transfer them into the dish. Add a little more butter on the top so they stay soft, glossy, and delicious. Now, let's cut one open and look inside. Wow! Look at that gorgeous purple filling. It's creamy, colorful, and so beautiful. The taste is absolutely delicious. The potatoes are so soft and comforting, while the ube adds a mild, earthy sweetness and a natural, beautiful color. This is such a fun and creative way to upgrade a classic homemade recipe. Ube superfood makes the dish feel colorful, cozy, and special while still staying simple and homemade. You can find the dough recipe and the filling details in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.